Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a bird's nest. Let's start off by drawing the bottom of the nest with some really wide curves that look like a cloud. And for the top, draw a similar shape but shakier for the twigs that are sticking out. In the middle, draw another shaky line that curves downwards like so. And inside, some big ovals for the eggs. To add some texture to the bird's nest, draw some short curved lines going all the way around the nest. Make sure they're turning like this as you go all the way around. Next, draw the branch the nest is sitting on with a jagged line going up to the nest from the bottom left. Continue that on the upper right like so. A V shape up here. Then another branch with a flat end here. And a line going back to the nest like this. Then, continue this line on the bottom left to finish off the branch. On the tip of the branch, draw a leaf with a wavy line here for a stem, and an almond shape around the stem for the leaf. One more time for another leaf. Lastly, add some thin, shaky lines along the branch to add a woody texture. And now you've got a bird's nest. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.